Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I went ahead and I replaced the LCD on my PlayStation Vita, and now I have like a new plastic protector for the back too, and for this sticker as well. So it doesn't look as like marked up, it actually looks pretty good. What's really cool is now like the screen isn't like separating at the top there like it was in the old. And then the color quality is pretty good. So yeah, the LCD replacement weren't pretty good. Kind of sad. I now have a tempered glass, a tempered glass screen protector on here, so I can throw it in the bag and it not get scratched up. That's really what I was wanting, because it was kind of a plasticky glass thing. But here's the old screen, and there was like markings and other things on it, but the LCD was separating, so it was well worth replacing. So it just took a few minutes to do, but yeah, turned out really good. Thanks for watching.